Welcome to the Diane Bryant Engineering Student Design Center.
The ESDC boasts an open concept lobby where guests can see into the main fabrication area. It also opens up to the Innovation Gateway.
Welcome to the Rapid Prototyping Room, where you're going to be able to find our 3D printers, laser cutters, and our electronic setups.
Next door is home to the Student Startup Incubator. Innovation is the heart of the ESDC, and this room will be a place for students to generate ideas, projects, and even businesses.
Welcome to the machine shop. Now I know what you're thinking. There's not a lot of machines here for a machine shop, but I promise you, there's going to be a lot of capabilities here. This is where we're going to be hosting our classes, as well as our open labs, where you're going to be able to make whatever you want. Speaking of capabilities, there's a few more rooms that I want to show you about. Here's the mudroom, where you get your access to the woodworking, the composites, and the sanding and shaping room. These rooms are going to typically be used by student teams, but once you get your special training, you can use them to build what you want too.
Across the way from the specialty rooms is the welding room, which we're proud to present a new workspace for. Once it's properly outfitted, this is where you can do metallurgy beyond soldering.
And here's the start of our collaboration space. Soon, these pallets are going to be replaced with tables and tool carts that can be reconfigured however the student teams and entrepreneurs need them to be. The ESDC also adds 2 new classrooms for the College of Engineering. During fall and winter quarter, these classrooms are going to be used primarily for learning engineering classes, but during the spring quarter, student teams are going to be able to take over these rooms and use them as collaborative zones to prep for their competitions. Finally, this is the last of the collaborative zone, the West Student Plaza. The plaza is a completely covered outdoor space where student teams can work on large projects and just have extra space to do whatever they need. As you can see, the Design Center offers more space for innovation and collaboration more now than ever before.
And good news, it's already open as of this year.
So come check out the Diane Bryant Engineering Student Design Center then. Take care and stay healthy, Aggies!